back, number 4, trade 4. So we did get the move that we wanted, or at least I did get the, you know, the move actually happened, you know, back into the low 20s. Sometimes what I do is, you know, I miss some moves. You know, of course I can't, you know, take every single trade on QCOM and get every single one absolutely perfect. You know, I can do that, pretty much never lose on a trade, but doing this constantly all day is actually a skill that requires to generally, what I would say is this: 9 times out of 10 I'm right, is what I'm saying. And on the ones that I'm you know, I'm not right, I kill them, because I know, did I just say that right? Yeah, 9 times out of 10 I'm right with this. Like the one time that it will do, you know, what I expected, is always outweighed, you know, by the 9 that always go my way. So again, you know, missed the move, which is absolutely fine. So far we're up to 183.02, guys. I'm not counting this $20 on Coco. That was just like a bullshit trade, to be fair. You know what I mean? I wasn't even. I didn't even play that the way I should have played it. I was just messing around with that. So far, like I said, we're up to 183.02, and we'll see what we get from that. All right. So I'm going to pause for now, and then I'll get back when I open the trade. One sec. Alright guys, I'm back. It looks like we're headed higher here. It would be nice if this sets up the way that I want it to illustrate a really powerful, very powerful technical analysis thing. Excuse me. That happens pretty much on every stock, you know, which I'll explain if it happens. We'll see. Just gonna watch it for a second. We're still in lunch, so it's not going to be some fantastic super duper play. For now, I'm just in penny mode, guys. I'll call it penny mode. I'm just looking for pennies. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. But I'm looking for pennies in the correct way. You know, I'm not gonna just try and make something out of nothing. You know, there's so many ways of trading. So we'll see. Just how far are we into this recording? Let's take a look. 2 minutes. Yeah, it's nothing. 2 minutes. I'll let it run for a couple of minutes just to see. I'm going to go ahead and pause, guys, while I'm waiting. If I get what I want, then obviously I'll be back with you guys. I won't be long. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and pick some up here at 28. Now, the move that I wanted was this. You see this this bar right here where the mouse is, an 8 MA catch. Now, this is very anticipatory. Very anticipatory, right? If this does not go the way that I want it to go, right, then I'll act accordingly, right? But again, that's the bar that I was waiting for. It's happened, okay? So we will probably come outside of the 8-period moving average on the 5, and again, we'll just take it as it comes, see what happens. All right. So I'll leave the trade open for now. Should be a you know, a pretty decent stall area after a move like that. So we'll see. Let's just watch it for a minute, see what happens. coming up to 1:30 reversal time as well. May have come a little early. We have bounced right off Hoss. In fact, it's a perfect bounce, and I was saying about Hoss being, you know, a waste of time, but you know, it happens. You know, it happens very rarely, but generally most times, you know, QCOM just doesn't really, you know, you get moves outside of Hoss pretty much most of the time. This is going to be a very, very, very quick sculpt, guys. Very quick sculpt. Okay. Oh, there's plenty about. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. I took 2 off at 38, guys. Just let this last one. Just let this last lot keep going as much as I can get. Bullish 180 on the 15, igniting bar on the 1. So all in all, a lot of volume came into that bar, guys. A lot of volume. Do you know how many times I could tell you that I've done this? Okay, the amount of times that bar, that one single solitary bar that I've seen, that one single bar on QCOM is actually incredible. It's incredible how many times you actually get the move you want. It's scary how much it happens, actually, to be honest. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Technical analysis is just by far the best way to trade. Beautiful, beautiful 60-minute bottom intel. Take a look at this, guys. Look at that. We are more than likely. We're more likely headed higher on this one. To be fair, you've got to look at the big picture. All the small moves now mean nothing. You've got to look at the big picture. But we'll see. I may look to take it off and then put it back on. I'm going to be with you guys all day anyway. You know, I'm going to do what I need to do. I'm going to keep taking these trades, keep posting them, and like I said, so far what we're up to, 193.02 now, $193.02. So looking good, looking good. Looking good. How far are we into this video? Let's take a look. 7 minutes. Maybe getting a little bit too long. I'll let it run just a couple more minutes, and then I may have to stop it and then start another one, guys. So we'll see. Now, another thing that I want to really illustrate a point about as well, guys, is a 1 minute gift play is a 1 minute gift play. Okay, do not expect a 1 minute gift play to give you. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a nice little igniting bar, but don't expect a 1 minute chart to give you a, you know, a $50 move. Do you know what I mean? It's not going to happen. Trade accordingly. You know, trade based on how you see things. Trade on the time frame that you're trading. I'm going to go ahead and pick up a bunch of lots here up at 36. We may not even get these. So pop into the 50s is very likely now. I'm going to pick up a couple here at 09s, at 99s. One of these is going to get filled. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't like using the alt key, guys, at all. And don't forget, I'm in profit anyway. Generally, what I like to do, what I tend to do, is pick some more up at 41s. Average cost 37, so we're right there at break even, basically. Looking for a quick pop into the mid 50s. Let's see if we get this. Now at this point we'll probably trail on the 1 minute. We'll probably get a 1 minute 8 train catch. But again, all of this stuff is not guaranteed, guys. It's not guaranteed. It's just the way that I trade, you know. I'll take one at 38. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, I'll just, you know, I like to just play around with the play a little bit just to make sure, you know, I'm in the right direction. I'm gonna go ahead and offer one out of 44. Reaching higher, guys. I want to reach higher. I want to reach higher. Come on. Come on, QCOM. Just get up there. Get up there. So it took the 44s, okay. So you see, another thing I want to say as well, guys, we missed the initial move, okay, on this one. Didn't get what I wanted in the previous video. So be it. Just get in again. What's the problem? Do you know what I mean? Ain't a big deal. So we only got 100 shares at the minute. And again, guys, I want to illustrate a point. Sorry if you can hear that in your ears. That's my wife. Do you know what, guys? I'm gonna have to kill this trade right now. I've got to. Let me pause the video one sec. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I've got to shoot off. I'm gonna miss a very nice move here. It doesn't matter though. It's not that big of a deal. What I was gonna say was I've completely lost my train of thought now. Yeah, I want to illustrate a point. I want to tell you guys something. I don't normally trade this small, okay, but I'm glad that today I have, because it illustrates a really, really good point. You don't need to use stupid size to make a decent living out of trading, right? If you can pull this off every day, okay, a couple of hundred here, you know, 150 there, maybe a $300 day, a $90 day, whatever, you know, that's like $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month. You know, who can't live off $6,000 a month? Do you know what I mean? It's anybody. It's just awesome, you know, to be able to do this on a regular basis. And there's absolutely no reason anybody listening to this video that cannot do this. Nobody that cannot do this. Nobody. All right, guys. But normally, like I said, I generally start positions with maybe 200, 300 shares or so, and then I'll maybe, you know, like I said, I look to build positions up to 1,000 shares, possibly even 1,500 to 2,000 shares on the really, really good plays. And then essentially all that you need, you know, it's a 10-20 cent move in your favor, and do the math, guys. You know, it's incredible. So far, you know, I don't know how many trades we're in now. 5, maybe 6 trades, not counting the cocoa trade. Forget that. So we've basically pulled $202.52 out of QCOM very, very easily, very safely. More importantly, very, very safely. So, you know, like I said, if you can pull money out of a stock safely, okay. Now, when you're watching these videos, right, really look at them, really watch the videos, right. You know, none of the trades that I took were crazy plays, in a sense. You might look at them and think, God, you know, I can't believe he's just took that play, you know. But none of the plays, you know, as such, were scary plays, you know, in nature. They were just normal plays, you know, and they're not trades that get your heart pounding. Do you know what I mean? Is what I'm saying. And when you get to the level where you're comfortable taking these types of trades, and you find something that you absolutely love to do and exploit it consistently, you know, over and over and over and over and over again, then all I can say, guys, is you will be right where you want to be, you know, and just stick to it. Just stick to it and keep pounding away. So anyway, this is this video. We're well past the point, I think, on the time issue. 13 minutes, not too bad, yeah, but you know, I'll go ahead and stop the video now, and we will continue. I'm gonna go and get some food, guys, and come back to the trade in a bit after lunch, and see what we get. All right, guys.